Today we are demonstrating the Sunrise single end punching machine with integrated flip stop positioning system. The Sunrise flip stop system is available in 1 through 4 meter sections and includes an integrated ruler with multiple flip stops. The flip stops allow you to calibrate and line up your hole-to-hole punching, especially useful for angle leg up and for processing channel webs. The flips themselves are integrated into the flip stop system with the ability by weight to flip up and down as material goes across them. The integrated ruler allows you to line up the flips in relation to the center of the punch. And the standard Sunrise punch gauging table with Y-axis bar is utilized with our ball bearing system. You're able to slide the Y-axis to the position on the ruler that you would like to set your Y-axis gauge, and the X-axis gauge would be set on the side of the flip stop system. The flip stop system is easily integrated into any Sunrise dual cylinder or single end punch. It bolts into the side of the T-slot base that's featured on all Sunrise ironworkers, dual cylinder and single cylinder. We have added a leg up version of our standard thread and quick change tooling with stripper poles to hold the channel webs down. And another option for a larger channel is this 2-inch wide channel stripper for doing angle leg up or channel flanges. Our reversible die block design allows us to punch up to a 2-inch hole the same way just by turning the die block around. And we're utilizing a 9/16 punch and die right now. You would lay the material on top of the flip stops. This would allow them all to be lowered into position. As the operator slides the material forward, the flips flip up and the operator pushes back against that flip. Punches the hole, slides forward, the flip stop flips up, and the operator pushes back. And you can do this the entire way down with that up to 4 meter section. Because you're gauging against both the Y-axis and the X-axis, you're holding that accuracy right in the center of whatever you're doing or whatever gauge line you might want to do. So now we're going to slide our channel in. It goes under the stripper, and it would originally be under at least one of the stripper poles, depending upon the beginning gauge line. We'll flip it against our stop. We'll step on the foot pedal, punch our hole, move it forward against the stop, move it forward against the stop. When you get to inside of the gauge table, you would then line it up on marks you've made or using the ruler on top of the gauge table surface. So here are our holes in 2-inch channel on 4-inch centers. This is the Sunrise flip stop system, mounted on the Sunrise single end punch, available in 1 through 4 meter sections, integrated flip stops, adjustable centers, Y-axis and X-axis gauging. Standard and special strippers are readily available. for angle, channel, and flat bar.